बात करते थे इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ, इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट.
Hello everyone, this is Lakshay from ZEX Media and we have Mayank over here. So, hi sir, how are you?
I'm good, thanks Laksha.
So Mayank is the founder of Qualitrix, right? And Qualitrix is now has their booth at the Fintech Festival India, Delhi edition, right? So how do you feel about that?
It's wonderful. I mean, so nice to meet with so many emerging startups, new businesses, as well as so many leading founders and seniors from the industry. All financial services, really awesome to find people here. And booths are really beautiful, place is awesome. Yashpur.
And Fintech Festival is like a benchmark festival within the fintech industry. So yeah, that's been always an honor to be here, right?
Yeah, it is. It is. That's why I said it's so nice to meet up with so many people that you catch up with them in this festival and meet with so many leaders and so many budding entrepreneurs. That it's really awesome place to be.
Great. And how's Qualitrix doing? What? Just explain us what exactly you guys do.
Okay, so we are a quality engineering company who use all latest solutions and technology to improve the quality of software. So we work a lot in the space of AI and also something called crowdsourcing to improve the quality mainly from two main areas. One, to bring in more and more speed, and second is to be more user aligned. How to make sure that your users are actually liking the product that you're making. So we work a lot in digital space. We're one of the leaders in digital cloud and all new age technologies. So fintechs are one of our very core sector where we operate with a lot of leading players in the country.
Great. And you know, being the part of fintech, you get a lot of different segments to touch with because fintech is already in integration with all the other industries as well, right? And what are exactly are the trends and innovations do you specifically follow within this environment?
Okay, so fintech is growing phenomenally. I mean, I read it somewhere that it will be probably a $200 billion revenue generating market by 2030, and probably that is the reason why we are also very deeply working in this space. If I see, even you see the trend of companies that are putting up their booths here. There's a lot of focus on open banking with API-based integrations to allow bring in more and more innovation for the traditional fintech companies. A lot of focus is happening on neobanks, so they're trying to create hyper-localized solutions because neobank can take the solution to your doorstep. Then, besides this AI, I'm seeing a lot of things in AI where people are trying to create conversational AI. They are creating advisory in fintech using AI, and plus using data analytics in so many different ways to generate interesting trends for the clients. Other than that, I also see a lot of, in the coming years, I see this decentralization of finance. So non-traditional economic solutions like the crypto, which kind of became a little slow, but crypto and blockchain, I'm very sure will pick up. And with this government policies, I'm definitely sure a lot of new things that are going to come up. Embedded finance, where you get the entire solution within the, say, e-commerce rather than trying to go out of the e-commerce application. That is going to be, and with all of these things happening, I think cybersecurity is going to be very critical. One more thing I see is that government is changing and making a lot of stronger policies now. So especially for pay later kind of models, for people who are not actually eligible for getting loans, especially in microfinance sector. A lot of those policies are going to come up, and a lot of changes I'm sure are going to come up in that space for things in the coming next decade or so. That's what I see.
Great. So there are a lot more tangents to touch upon within the next few years, and specifically within the fintech industry. As yesterday, our union minister also said about the UPI that other countries are very fond of. They want to adapt that new technology and build their own unified payment interface as well. And also being the part of fintech, they're also trying to incorporate new regulations within the blockchain and other industry because that's the new booming decentralization, right? So yeah, I'm also excited to see new innovations and hope to see you in other editions as well.
Just wanted to touch upon this whole concept of UPI. So there's a whole initiative going on around digital public infrastructure, right? UPI is one of those, but India is one of the pioneers in bringing these societal level platforms. I think no country in the world has actually done that, and I will thank to this government that they have taken a lot of these digitalization policies, and in this digital public infrastructure, DPI, DPG is a biggest, I would say, change, not just for India, but for the entire world in the coming year. And G20 summit this year was very much focused on that.
Great. So I hope to see more innovations from you as well.
I am very, very sure. I mean, that's what we are saying. We are experience
Your
the
name
future. No, not really, but yeah, experience the future of quality. We're trying to make our dent in this whole space, especially in technology. So I hope that we are able to make that change and help more fintechs to reach where they want to reach in the next 5 years.
Great. Hope to see you in other editions as well, and you see better traction. There's one more day left. So let's say what FinTech Festival is up to this time.
Great, thank you. Thank you so much, Lakshya.
Thank you so much for your time.